A for apple.
A for apple.
B for banana.
B for banana.
C for cherry.
C for cherry.
D for dragon fruit.
D for dragon fruit.
E for elderberry.
E for elderberry.
F for fig.
F for fig.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H for honeydew.
H for honeydew.
I for ice apple.
I for ice apple.
J for jackfruit.
J for jackfruit.
K for kiwi.
Q for kiwi.
L for lychee.
L for lychee.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nectarine.
N for nectarine.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for papaya.
P for papaya.
Q for queens.
Q for queens.
R for raspberry.
R for raspberry.
S for strawberry.
S for strawberry.
T for tangerine.
T for tangerine.
U for ugly fruit.
U for ugly fruit.
V for vanilla bean.
V for vanilla bean.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for zihua.
X for zigwa.
Y for yozo.
Y for yuzu.
Z for zucchini.
Z for zucchini.